Ibotta offers change regularly, and the best deals are usually the ones that match products you already buy, because they let you earn cash back without changing your shopping routine. By the end, you'll know how to find the best Ibotta offers this week, how to choose higher value deals, and how to avoid wasting time on offers that do not match your purchases. Start by opening the Ibotta app and checking the available offers before you shop. The app organizes cash back deals by category, store, and available products, which helps you find offers that fit your shopping list. The first section to check is your regular shopping categories. Grocery, household, personal care, and other sections often contain offers for everyday products. A good offer is not only about the cash back amount. Check the product requirements before adding an offer. Some offers apply only to specific sizes, flavors, quantities, or brands. Before purchasing, add the offer to your Ibotta account if required. Adding offers before shopping helps make sure the app can track the products you want cash back on. After shopping, submit your receipt through the Ibotta app and make sure the information matches the offer details. The receipt must clearly show the qualifying items for the cash back request to be reviewed. The second way to find better offers is to compare deals with your normal shopping habits. A higher cashback offer is less useful if it requires buying a product you would never use. You can also check for retailer-specific offers. Some deals are connected to certain stores, so the same product may have different cashback availability depending on where you shop. If an offer does not appear after your purchase, review the offer terms first. Check the expiration date, product requirements, and receipt details before contacting support. The fastest way to get more value from Ibotta is to check offers before making your shopping list. This lets you plan purchases around available cashback instead of searching after you already bought the items. To summarize, check Ibotta offers before shopping, read the product requirements carefully, and choose deals that match purchases you already plan to make. Your next step is to open Ibotta, review this week's available offers, and add the ones that match your shopping list. If this guide helped you find better Ibotta deals, like the video and subscribe for more cash back app guides.